YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja, and National Cut the Cord Day is July 7th. And what does that mean? Well, for Americans, we're actually spending over $100 a month on our cable bills on average. And that's actually one of the highest numbers in the world. Cutting the cord is a very trending topic lately, but how do you actually break free? For tech-savvy people, it's as easy as buying some hardware, doing some software, getting everything configured and plugged in together, and you're good. But for people who aren't super tech-savvy and they don't want to buy 3 or 4 different boxes, what exactly do they need to do? Now, there are plenty of options available as far as software like Sling TV, YouTube TV, but how do those services work with your TV? Because, YouTube TV doesn't work with a Fire Stick, but if you have a Chromecast, it doesn't work with Amazon products. So you sort of have this, you have to figure out what you want before you get it, and as you can see, it gets very confusing. TCL is here to fix that. They're making the ultimate cord-cutting TVs. This one right here specifically is the 55-inch 6 Series TV. It's not just any TV, it features 4K HDR capabilities with the latest specs for awesome viewing experience. The bezels are very thin and this design is so nice and clean. It features 3 HDMI ports for gaming consoles and other devices you may want to plug in. The stand's removable and it's a VESA mount. And that just means it's compatible with wall mounts and stands. The TV checks all the boxes for hardware, but software is where it excels. Running the Roku TV OS out of the box, the TCL TV gives you everything you need to cut the cord as it is. The Roku platform is highly respected and has plenty of app options to choose from. From YouTube to Sling to Prime Video, Roku has it all. The platform has access to over 5,000 streaming channels and also over 500,000 movies. Roku platform also has advantages that traditional cable boxes don't, such as smart content recommendations. The Roku TV platform detects what you're watching and makes content recommendations based on that, regardless of the specific app you're using. The interface is super clean and simple, and you can organize app tiles in any way you'd like. The broadband Wi-Fi capabilities and Ethernet port will ensure your streaming will be reliable and without interruption. The simple remote allows you to navigate the interface with ease, and you can also cast media directly from your phone using a free app. The mobile app also allows you to use your voice to search for things. So you can grab your phone and say, "Show me Die Hard," and then different streaming services that has the movie Die Hard available will pop up. Many cable alternatives give you all the channels you need, but did you know you can also access local channels for free? A lot of TVs these days are no longer coming with tuners, especially in this price point. But TCL designed this TV with cord cutting in mind, so you do have a tuner. And you can watch pretty much any channel that's available over the air, and for me, that's around 70 channels. So any broadcast that I watch, like the football game or the basketball game or anything like that, those come in high def and it looks really good. Now, speaking of signal, the antenna has a 40-foot range thanks to the amplifier. So you don't need to put it in a specific place or point it. As long as you're within 40 feet of that specific place, the antenna will still grab that signal. The best thing about this setup is you don't need additional streaming boxes, cable boxes, and you don't need an overpriced cable subscription. You can save quite a bit of money if you go down the cable cutters route. And bam, you cut your bill that's $100 to $25. Obviously, there's different packages for different people, but most of the time when I work with people as far as cutting the cord, they drop their bill by more than half. Now, this TV I was showing is the TCL 6 Series. It's their brand new TV. And if you're not familiar with TCL, they've been pumping out some great TVs lately. I've actually made several videos about their TCL TVs. I actually have one in the bedroom right now. And the 6 Series is a pretty cool TV, but I have not did a full review video on my channel yet, so make sure you hit subscribe to be notified as soon as that video is ready. But TCL is doing God's work here by making TVs that are cord cutter friendly and super easy to use with the Roku platform. In celebration of National Cut the Cord Day, TCL is giving away 103 cord cutting packages. To enter, check out the instructions in the description down below. As always, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have yourself a great day and good luck on the giveaway. Talk to you guys later. Peace.
KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend that it's him again. Hey, yo, real talk, opinions gonna be sharper than 4K. Scope Squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and brands galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before.